This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Wisconsin's getting the severe thunderstorms on Friday, July 19th, 2013. And it's going up to 50 plus millimeters of rain and some damaging winds and maybe some large hail and some intense thunder and lightning. Because of the cold air is coming from Canada, is going to meet with the very hot and humid air. And it's down south, then it's going to cause a lot of severe thunderstorms in Wisconsin. It's going to bring up to a lot of rain, up to 50 plus millimeters of rain and damaging winds. People in Wisconsin, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, have your raincoats ready, have your rain suits ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and Coke. Sewers will back up in the streets. Don't drive your car to the flood or your car can get stalled. When you're driving the car, avoid the big puddles. Don't walk through the puddles. Stay away from the open fields such as golf courses and stay away from the trees during severe thunderstorms. When the thunder or lightning happens, get inside of your house. Unplug all the electronics such as TVs, computers, stereos, and audio systems so you don't get a power surge. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G internet ready just in case the power goes out in Wisconsin. It's going to be a chain lightning. Best of luck to you people in Wisconsin. Be prepared for severe thunderstorms on Friday. Take care. And stay safe. And don't get caught in the thunder and lightning. Be safe.